What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how you can actually recover a disabled account in here on Instagram. Let's say that you've actually violated, for example, a few community guidelines, or you've followed many people in a very short period of time, or if you've done something which goes against the guidelines, such as, for example, buying fake followers or fake likes and comments. Your account may have probably sent a few red flags to Instagram's algorithm, and this may have caused your account to be banned. As you can see in here, this is a screenshot that essentially shows how things look like when you're banned. You're trying to log in and it says, hey, there's an arrow, your account is disabled, and you simply just have a cancel button as well as a learn more button over there. So you do not have much to do, but I'm going to show you how to recover your account. But do not forget, if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, as it really helps me out. Now, first things first, you're going to try opening up IG and you're going to try logging in, right? So once you try logging in on IG, for example, here we go. My account is already logged in, but in your case, if it's not, try logging in and you'll be able to see here immediately this section right here, right? So you're gonna close this and then you're gonna go all the way to your internet browser. In my case, I've got Safari in here, so I'm gonna open up a new page or tab, and then I'm gonna go all the way to google.com. So once you're here on google.com, you wanna search for Recover Instagram. Okay, so you wanna type here Recover Instagram account, there we go, and then you want to search for this page in here which says account recovery and login, or my Instagram was hacked. But let's go with this one, account recovery and login, real quick. So once you're here, you want to search for this section which says recover a hacked account. Tap here on I was hacked. Okay, tap on cancel and simply continue here on your browser. We're going to perform this within our browser, so tap on cancel real quick, and then it's going to ask you to type in your username ID. So type in your username ID and then simply follow up the form in here that will allow you to let you know that you were hacked and that something happened on your account that was done on somebody else's behalf, not on your behalf, right? Alternatively, we can also go back here. We do have, for example, many sections in here which says popular articles. We're unable to find here. We can also search here at the top, for example, disabled, right? There we go. And then simply tap here on disabled to search, or instead of disabled, we can search something like account disabled. Right, there we go. Let me search. And then we do have a few results in here down, search results, right? About disabled account, how to appeal a disabled account. So we're going to tap in here on appeal, because you can always appeal and say, hey, I did not agree. This was something that I did not on purpose or something like that. And you can actually manage. Now, in most cases, you will not be able to manage, but you can, in a few cases, get it sorted out. Now, you're going to tap in here on, for example, about disabled Instagram accounts. There we go. Next up, simply scroll down, and then your account might have been deleted by someone with your password. So you want to tap in here, been deleted. This is the exact same page that I want you to reach out to. Next up, simply scroll down in here, see all this, and then 90 days, there we go. And then simply tap in here on, was this helpful? No. And then simply tap here on other, and then tap on select, and you'll be able to actually submit a feedback. So over here, you want to type something like, hey, Instagram, this has happened to me. My username is this one. And do not forget to include your email address so they can actually reach back to you and talk to you in case there's something that needs to be fed as information further in order to help you fixing this issue. And then simply submit it, and this should help fixing the problem. The thing is, when you do reach out to Instagram, they will always get back to you. So you will actually be waiting for a feedback, and they take it very seriously, so they will not ignore what you are going to submit in here on this feedback form. So this was it for today, guys. I hope this video really helped you out. And if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below your experience or how it happened with you, if you actually succeeded or not. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.